And now let's talk about technical lines for crosses for the month of December 2016. So Euro Swiss, prone to intervention by the S&B, currently just under 108. We've seen some of these lines that were thought of as lines in the sand by the S&B. We've seen a breach. Anyway, I would expect the pair to move back, thanks to the S&B, thanks to other forces, back to the 108, 110 range. I would mention key lines here are 106.85, which has been the recent low, 107.60, which was a previous line in the sand for the S&B. Then we have lots of choppy lines here between 108 and 110. I don't think it's worth mentioning. 110 is a strong line of resistance, and then 110.50 and 111.20. I would trade this pair with extreme care. This is already a more interesting cross. Euro pound, we've seen it shoot high, then fall back below, sort of head and shoulders pattern, currently at 85.20, support at the round number of 85. I see I have too many lines here. 83.35 is a strong line of support, worked as such back in September, and further below 82.67. But ranges are a bit higher. I think the trend is still, well, the trend is mixed. Let's not get into fast conclusions. 86 is the line to watch. 87 worked as resistance in the past and could do that once again. 88.80, the low end of the high range, at the round number of 90, worth watching, of course, but stronger resistance at 90.50 and 91.50. Euro yen, a popular cross, but not for retail traders, just under 120, which is the line of resistance, followed by 121, or another round number at 121.60, 122.30, and 123, lines that were last seen in the summer. Looking down, we have 118.50 and 117, and very strong support at 116.25. Look how it served as a double top. Even lower, 114.50, 113.80, and strong support at 112. And another strong line is 111. Pound yen. This is already a cross that is popular among retail traders. Getting closer, we've seen stability of the pound against the weakness of the yen, above 140 at the moment. 141.80 was the recent high, should be watched. It's followed by 143, sort of swing high. Looking down, we have 139. 139, followed by 138.50, 137.50, but these lines are already a bit more choppy. I would mention the bigger lines here are 132.50, 129, and 125. So in the past few days, this cross has been trading in a narrow range, but these things don't last too long. Okay, and to complete this segment, we'll move from a cross to the world's #1 commodity, oil, WTI crude oil, West Texas Intermediate. When people are talking about oil, notice if they're talking about WTI or Brent or other oil prices. It's a bit geographical. Anyway, currently just under 46. Remarkably stable, I would say, given the amount of rumors. I see markets as cautiously optimistic about a deal, and prices are still relatively high, assuming a deal. So I see more potential to the downside if there's no deal. Lines to watch here are 46.50, 49, which was the high in August, and we have the double top just under $52 US. Looking down, 44.50, weak support, 42.50 or 42, let's update this line, is already much stronger support, last seen, earlier this month, and the low seen in August is 39. Some talk about even lower levels if oil prices, if we zoom out. Remember that early in the year, we already reached 26.50. Okay, even lower, 26. So I don't think we'll reach these levels, but a big fall, more than a dip under 40 is realistic. 39 is an important line there. Let's add another line here. just in case the deal fails spectacularly, it's 35.20, which was a level last seen in the spring. Okay, so that's a roundup for prices and, of course, the price of oil, which is ever relevant today.